y'all, welcome. I'm excited. Today we are going to be trying the Honeymoon palette by Tom Ford. Now, if you didn't check out my video yesterday, I tried out the Mink Mirage palette and it was rough. I don't know how to put it in any other way, but it was my first Tom Ford palette I've ever tried, and it was an all matte palette. It was beautiful. The shades are something that you could wear every day, and it just did not work out well for me at all. And check out the video if you want to see more details. I tried it all on, and you can check out what happened. But today we're going to give another Tom Ford palette a go. This time it is the Honeymoon palette by Tom Ford. Now this comes in this packaging here, same thing, but it's this different formula. It's called the wet to dry formula, and what I've heard is, from my research, the ones with the TFs kind of embossed in the actual formula, that means that it's a wet to dry formula, meaning that you can use it dry or you can wet it and use it wet. They have the same color but different pigmentation and kind of a different payoff in a way. I want to share with you some swatches. All right, these right here are the dry swatches, and this one, starting here, is wet from here to here. Now you can tell the wet ones are definitely a lot more pigmented. You get a lot more color payoff when they're wet, but the dry ones are really good too. So I'm liking them both. I'm excited that they're pretty versatile and you can wear them both ways. So we're gonna try these on today. I'm excited to give this a go. I'm so excited that you guys are here. Thank you so much for being here, clicking on this video. I invite you to subscribe below and like and comment. It just makes my day. Y'all have no idea how excited I get. And I just want to thank you. So without further ado, let's try this Tom Ford quad, y'all. Okay, so the brows are the only thing I have on. I don't have any other makeup on because I want to make sure, I kind of want to test for fallout and things like that. I have used this once or twice already, but like I said in my first video, this is not like a full review because I feel like you need to use it a good amount of time to be able to get your thoughts together for, you know, a good eyeshadow palette. I am going to first go in with an eye primer. One second. I've been using this Hourglass eye primer. I'm really enjoying this. Okay, now that that's on, I'm going to first start with this shade here. This is that burgundy shade. I'm going to start with them dry. I may try them wet, but I don't know. I just kind of want to do dry today. All right, here we go. I'm just taking a real light hand and going in the crease here, taking it all over. So far so good. Ooh, it builds well. I like this color. That's blending well, guys. What do you think? I'm just kind of diffusing this. All right, let's just go over. I'm gonna go kind of just a little bit in and a little bit more. Okay. All right, so let's do this eye. This is definitely blending out more. Whereas the one yesterday, oh my gosh, it was not blending at all. A little bit more. I feel like this is my harder side. Are y'all like that? I'm right hand dominant, so for me, I feel like my left side is always my harder side. Especially with eyeliner. Eyeliner's so hard. Okay, all right, Tom Ford, let's try a different shade. See, that wasn't like 20 minutes worth of blending, y'all. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. If you're gonna pay $88 for a palette, you don't wanna have to work at it, right? I mean, that's my opinion. I'm thinking maybe this one here. I mean, I think I'm gonna use them all, but this one's next. I'm gonna go in with that one right here. Yes, look at that, guys. Ooh. More. I really like that. I love that shade. I love that shade. Okay, doing the other eye, so we have to be even. Okay, guys, what do you think so far? That's just 2 shades. Let's go into the next ones. I'm gonna go in with this shade here. It's kind of this, what is that? It's like a gorgeous copper shade. These shades are so pretty. And I'm not getting a ton of fallout. I'm just gonna take this and put it like right here. Yeah, you can kind of see it right there. All right, let's do the other one. Kind of deepens it. in the middle. Ooh, I like. Can y'all tell? Oh yeah, you can definitely tell. I'm getting excited, y'all. Oh my gosh. Maybe this is what people are talking about, right? Yesterday when I tried that palette, I was sitting there going, what on earth? People like this for $88? I'm thinking, I know why. I think it's a different type of formula. This is that wet to dry formula, and it has to be so much better than the other one because the matte one was, it was rough, guys. All right, I'm gonna take the dark shade here, going in with my reefer here. Just put that on, and then I'm just gonna line the eye. I wonder if I wet this shade, what that would do. Like if I used a different brush. Hold on, I wanna do that, I think. I'm gonna wet this little guy here, just with some MAC Fix Plus. I don't know if y'all do this, but if I ever use shadow wet and I wanna go in, I always go in on a corner, so I'm not messing up the whole shadow. Here we go. Put in a little bit more. Ooh, kind of like a soft purple. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one. Re-wet my brush. This is exciting. You're probably like, oh my gosh, Jen, get it together. I'm just so excited that I was really worried. I was really worried about this palette, guys. I was like, I just want it to work. All right, because the shades are gorgeous. All right, stop talking. I'm taking the reefer and I'm taking that gold shade, not the bronze one, but the actual gold, and putting it right in the inner corner here. Then I'm taking kind of the bronzy, mixing the bronze and the red, and I'm going right in here. Okay guys, what do you think? It was good, and it didn't take me 20 minutes just to blend one eye. Yay! Well, let me do the rest of my face and then we'll be right back to give kind of final thoughts, what I think. I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit, clean up any harsh lines, and yeah. This is a final look. I am so excited about how this turned out, you guys. This is what I expected from a Tom Ford palette. I think this is so pretty. I think the color scheme is beautiful from the Honeymoon palette. I am really, really impressed. I really want to try out the wet formula a little bit more. I did try it out on as like an eyeliner, and I do really like that. I think it applied extremely well. I think the shades dry applied extremely well. I didn't really have any issues blending like I did yesterday with my Mink Mirage palette. No issues at all. I think the shimmers are absolutely stunning. They blended well together. They didn't lose pigmentation or turn into different shades or anything like that, which was excellent. I really, really enjoyed using this. I thought it was just beautiful. Well, y'all, I think this turned out a lot better. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful for y'all. Have you tried this Honeymoon palette? Let me know below. I invite you to subscribe. I thank you so, so much for watching. Y'all, I can't tell you how much it means to me when you guys comment and watch and like and just subscribe. It just means so, so much for me, and it helps my channel out a lot, and I just want to thank you guys so much, and I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank y'all again, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.